start this autumnal design by painting 2 layers of your favorite dark color. I've gone with this gorgeous burgundy. On the first layer it doesn't look very deep and rich, but by the second layer you'll see it really builds up that gorgeous burgundy shade. I'm going with this rose gold leaf rather than flakes, and I'm placing that straight into the inhibition layer of the gel and really flattening it out and kind of pulling it apart just to get those smaller pieces really sticking to that nail. I don't want just solid big pieces of the rose gold leaf. I want some teeny tiny pieces there too, so play around with it on into kind of the inhibition layer. You can really pull it around and it will melt into it, stick into it, and then once you're happy with that, pop a layer of matte top coat all over that nail. To create the leaf design, you're going to need a dotting tool and a black gel paint. I'm starting off with 1 dot and then going in with a liner brush. You can also use a detailer brush if that's something you're more comfortable with, and using the gel that's on the nail already, very slowly start pulling that out to create the stem for our leaf. And then to create the nice leaf pointiness, if you like, start again dragging it out on the other side. So I'm creating 1 leaf at a time. Take your time here. It is a process. It's going to take you time before you get every single leaf painted on. So I'm really kind of pulling that gel to the sides and creating that leafy shape before moving on to the next leaf. I'll let you watch me work just so you can really see everything that's happening. I'm starting off with a dot and then using what's on the nail plate with the liner and really pulling it all over wherever I want it to create the leafy shape. Once you're happy with your leaf, do not cure it. Grab yourself some sugaring glitter. I've gone with this black, very, very fine. This is like ultra fine glitter. And I'm sprinkling it into that wet layer of gel. Knock off any excess over a triangle tray and cure it for double the time. We want to make sure that the light still penetrates all the way through for a proper cure. Clean up your glitter, put the lid on it while it's curing, and then when it's out the lamp, grab a nice firm dusting brush, dust off any excess, and you're done. And this is how you create this beautiful leafy design.